Hi guys, I'm Shefali Kawatra from Adventuresome, and we have Weber with us on the We Show. So we will be discussing our journeys together.
No, it won't be my journey. At least it would be only Shefali's journey as the CFO and co-founder of Adventuresome. First of all, congratulations, Shefali. You recently joined as the co-founder of Adventuresome, and pleasure having you here today. And I would want you to start telling our audience by how Adventuresome happened in your life.
All right. Thank you, Weber, for having me on this show. So, the pleasure experience being here. So, Adventuresome is a adventure and experiential travel company whereby we curate experiences for customers who want adventure-related activities to be there in their trip.
Okay.
And we have an activity manager basically who does that, and it is an end-to-end trip where we go there, make the experience very fun, loving, and be it a very adventure related travel experience. It's not a leisure experience, it's just an adventure experience.
So how do you define adventure for Adventuresome?
For example, what do you do when you go out? You will book a hotel. You will just go for sightseeing or whatever the main attractions are there, and you'll come back from there. But when you do the sightseeing, it's already crowded. It's already people are there, and you won't experience the true beauty of nature. But we take you to not just the normal crowded places, but those places which have an offbeat experience written all over it. We'll take you to treks. We'll do camping. Rather than going to a hotel, we'll make you to camping beachside. How awesome is that? And we'll make you play different games, and it will be bonfire where people will have a guitar, and people will sing, laugh, dance, whatever they want to do. So that's what we Adventuresome do.
So, but you are actually coming from a financial background, right?
Correct.
And you were working in a corporate firm in the top tiers sector, and then you started moving on to Adventuresome.
Yes.
But was there anything apart from the financial role you are being offered here, you are working as, or something which connected you with Adventuresome?
Correct. So when you are into a startup, you just don't do things you normally do. You have to do things every which ways which you can contribute. So it's not just the financial thing I'm handling. I have to do starting from the content writing, making the brochures and video editing, contacting clients, B2B, B2C, every damn thing. And you need to be proactive about it. If you are not proactive, if you're not taking up the initiative, so that if you don't do it, nobody else will. It's your thing, you have to do it. And that's what I strive for.
I agree to most of the points which you mentioned about working in a startup when you move out of a job and all those things. But also, I think you might have experienced this, like when you are moving out of a job, right? And you see your friends and peers doing the same thing, like working in that corporate world and earning well and all those things. But aapke liye it's like you're going to risk everything, right? मतलब अभी कुछ setup नहीं है, you are just moving out of the job. आपको पूरा setup करना है, taking care of things on your own. How does it feel like? And also the risk coming along with this journey.
Okay, so to answer your question in two parts. First, when you say that I am moving out of the job, when my friends and peers are doing, working, and they are quite happy in their jobs. So I was not happy working. Okay. This was my main reason for quitting the job and starting something of my own. And when you're not happy, money doesn't seem to be a criteria. Money is a criteria, money is very important, I do not deny that. But when you know that you are much more capable of something and you are now just wasting your precious years of your life doing something that you would regret after a point of time, that why did I do this? And even if I do it after a point of time, let's say 3 or 4 years, I wouldn't have the opportunity or my responsibilities would be so much that I wouldn't take the risk. And life is all about taking a risk. If you don't take the risk now, when will you?
Right. But अभी आप लोग ने अभी आपने जैसे मूव किया और आपके फ्रेंड्स वगैरह जो सब लोग साथ में काम कर रहे हैं and all those things, उनका क्या ओपिनियन था? Like what were they thinking? Were they appreciative of this step?
Yes.
Or they were apprehensive of this step?
So there were mixed feelings. They were like, when people are your friends, they trust you, and they know you, who the person you are, they were like, yeah, go ahead. I know तू जो भी करेगी बहुत अच्छा करेगी, and we trust you. And if I say about my family, they were also very supportive, first of all, but they were a little apprehensive because I'm quitting a high-paying job which I won't get, and I don't even know if I would get this money ever or not. But hopefully I do. So they were a little scared about me that whether I would be able to take this up and what if it doesn't work out. So that's a very parental thing, that they are scared about you. So that was there, but friends were quite supportive of it.
Also, when you see out there in the world, like sadly or unfortunately, the ratio of men to women entrepreneurs is really skewed up.
Yes.
That women entrepreneurs are really less in number. Does that ever bothered you, or like how did you take it? कि यार इतने कम लोग हैं, इतने कम लोग कर पाएं, या like that community to support you is less in number.
Okay. So मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था कि वुमेन नहीं है because मेरा मोटो ही कहीं और था. I wanted to do something and I was not thinking about कि मेरे साथ कितने लोग होंगे. When you are aware of what you want, it's not just कि मेरे साथ कितने लोग होंगे. I know what I want to be, I know what I want to prove, and it doesn't have to be you have to prove it to everybody. So yeah, you're right that women entrepreneurs are very less in number, but they are budding. And I hopefully within a decade equal ratio ho jaye.
Right.
But yes,
hopefully, yes, it should be.
Yes, it should be. So women are there. They just need to be more confident, more aware about themselves. Yes, they can do.
It looks you are so excited on the journey you have onboarded, but still, just to ask, do you have any regrets of the decision you have made, and how the process has been up till now?
It's been a wonderful process. It's just been wonderful. I have been, involved in adventurism for quite some time of my life, and I'm enjoying the phase. I love doing everything, and I'm excited. The main thing is being excited, and when you're excited, things will happen, and everything will just flow into it. And God forbid, even if it doesn't work out,
right,
I'll have a lot of experiences, a lot of memories to take home, and I don't think so I will regret anything about it.
So do you miss anything about the job which you were having and the lifestyle you were having?
If I would have missed it, I wouldn't have left it.
Right.
That's the thing. So no, to answer your question, no. I'm actually, I don't even miss my job right now, and I'm like, it happened. It was a good phase of my life.
Right.
I did learn a lot of things. Everybody was pretty supportive and helpful, but then again, my heart was not into it. And when your heart is not into it, I don't think so you should do anything.
So then it's good, like something really good happening for you and your life, and you seem to be very excited and happy.
And opportunities will take you places.
Right.
Correct. Yeah.
That's nice. Shefali, you have been in this ecosystem for quite some time now. You have started your journey as an entrepreneur. But we know that women as entrepreneurs face a lot of challenges. What is your take on that?
So,
or what is your advice for for women who are going to try this?
So my advice for women would be, being a woman, I can, feel like women look out for validation a lot. You know that you are best at this thing, but still she wants, somebody else to tell them that, yeah, you are very good at this thing. And this might be there for many people, but women, it's inbuilt because they're emotional, and this is the state of nature. And I would, suggest that do not look for validation. Make yourself independent enough, strong enough that you don't have somebody, tell you that you are good, or you needn't need to prove anybody that I am good.
Right.
So that's one point that I want women to do. And secondly, I want them to take risk. Women in general do not take risk. They are very happy in their comfortable state, and they usually don't. Go out, meet some people, explore new things. Then only they will know what is out there. So my take on this would be that stop looking for validation, start exploring, trying out new things, go meet people. Then only you know that what you are capable of. And interestingly enough, I just went to an event. It was called Women on Mission, where there were 600 to 700 people, and they were all women co-founders, and I was amazed to see such a community like that. And they distributed awards, various awards, and you would if you go look out, there are many people working towards women working towards themselves and trying and exploring new things. So I want women to go out there. If you have an idea, don't just sit home and ask for validation from is it good, is it not good, and just go out, explore, and go to these events. Start meeting new people, and then you'll know your value.
Right. I think this is really a good piece of information which you have just shared with us, and it's a good tip over here for all the women entrepreneurs out there, that just go and try out on the idea which you want to work upon and experience life and the journey. Right. Thank you, Shefali, for being on the show and sharing your wonderful journey. I think it really adds value to the young entrepreneurs out there. And in case you want to reach out to her for some help or discussion, I'll put all the social media links of her in the description box. You can just reach out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We Show and Adventuresome, we are out there. We'll help you any which ways you want to.
Right.
Just connect with us. Yep.
Thank you.